Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to slow down a video in After Effects. After starting After Effects, we can go to File folder, and I have an MP4 video. I drag and drop into After Effects project, and then drag and drop into composition to create a composition with MP4. Next, I press spacebar to preview this video. This is original speed. I stop it here. If we want to slow down it, firstly, we can extend the timeline. We can go to composition and then go to composition settings and go to duration. The original is about 1 minute. I extend it to 3 minutes and I press OK. So I use Alt and scroll down the mouse button to see all the duration. Now, if you want to make it slow down, we can use right click on the video layer and then go to time. We can enable time remapping. And then we can see the keyframes from the start and the end. If you want to slow down, we can extend it, something like this. Depends on your duration. And then we also need to extend the video layer, something like this. After extending the keyframe, we can press spacebar to play a preview. So we can see that the video is slower, but we can see that this is not smooth. I stop it here. If we want to make it smooth, we can use right click again and go to frame blending. We have two options. The first option, we can use frame mix. And I press spacebar to preview again. So we can see that this is smoother. The second option, we can use right click again, and in the frame blending, we can use pixel motion. And press the spacebar to preview the video. I think this is better. So this depends your video. I stop it here. So this is how we can slow down a video in After Effects. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.